Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and it's curry night here in Munch Towers. And this time I have got, this is on a plate, this empty container, because it's all messy around the edges. Right, I've got Morrisons Chicken Balti, reduced from $3.99 to £1.60. This has been in my freezer for quite a while, because if you saw the date on that, it's 1st of October. Yeah. I defrosted it first. It says you can heat it from frozen, but I defrosted it overnight. Right, what we got in this then? What we got? I can't read it because it's ripped the label. It's lucky that I actually prepared on my laptop here the product with the description. Oh, my memory is appalling. For a couple of seconds I forgot I'd done it. Okay, right, here we go. Product name: char grilled marinated chicken breast pieces in a medium spiced onion and tomato sauce with peppers. Chicken breast 37%. So it's got a lot of chicken in it. I'll show you in a second. Yeah, red peppers. Yeah, usual curry. Actually, I'll read you all the ingredients on this one because there's not that many. Yes, as I said, 37% chicken breast, onion, water, tomato paste, green pepper, red pepper, rapeseed oil, yogurt, spices, low-fat yogurt, corn flour, ginger puree, garlic puree, herbs, salt, green chilli puree, spirit vinegar, colour. Right, stick that back over there and I'll show you what it looks like. Shall I lift it up? There we go. You've got a good view there, haven't you? As you can see, there's quite a lot of meat. I've used my usual Old Faithful VT rice to go with it. Yeah, £1.60 this was. Can't believe it. What a bargain, eh? What a bargain. Right. Oh, it's a 2 chilli rating, by the way. So, shouldn't be too spicy. Now, when I first took the lid off the container, one end of it was really watery and the other end was really thick. So I stirred it all together and that seemed to rectify it because it's gone, oh look, pretty thick now. Okay, let's have a go. Morrisons Chicken Balti, or Balti Chicken, whatever it's called. Two chilli rating? Really? That's extremely mild. It really is. Now, I've had a few curries from Morrisons in this range, you know, the takeaway range, and they've all been really good. So far, this one isn't really doing it for me. It really isn't. Yeah, it's just a basic curry sauce with some onions and peppers. Very savoury. Very low in heat. In fact, the heat is barely there at all. Okay, let's see what this chicken is like. Now, it said char grilled chicken, didn't it? So, let's see. Oh, right, yeah, that one. Looking at it under my glasses, has got some little black marks of charring on it. In fact, they all have. Yeah. Right. Let's just shove that one in, see what it's like. A little on the chewy side, just a little. But, yeah, nothing amazing. This is a bit of a letdown. I've been looking forward to this all day. I really have. And, yeah, I'm not that impressed. Okay. Cutting one of the bits of chicken in half there to show you. I mean, it's proper chicken breast. Ooh. There we go. Hey. Proper chicken breast pieces, but... That chicken is a little on the chewy side, a little on the dry side. The sauce is quite bland. Let's try everything together with a bit of rice, sauce, chicken. Not impressed at all with that one. I'm really not. So, Morrisons, what's it called? Is it called Chicken Balti Takeaway? Normally $3.99. Don't pay that for it. If you see it with the yellow sticker, perhaps give it a try, but I won't have it again. As I said, the chicken's a bit dry, chicken's a bit chewy. The sauce is very savoury, tomatoey, peppery, oniony, hardly any spice. There's no sort of multiple levels of spices going on. There's barely any heat whatsoever. Hang on, one more bit. No. Don't recommend that at all. I'm very, very disappointed in that. Extremely disappointed. Extremely, very disappointed. Yeah, I could go on. You know, you get the idea. Right, I will eat the rest of it. Obviously, it's my dinner. But, yeah, no, won't have it again. Definitely not. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know what you think of it. As I said, I've tried a few in this range. They've all been really good. I had a beef one. Can't remember what it was called. Really can't remember. It might come back to me. It might not. And that was superb. This ain't. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.